All right, we're about to make trip number 2. Excuse the dishwasher on the back porch. We are not that trashy usually. The truck is completely loaded. Again, Lord have mercy. We look so redneck with all this. That's the couch that's gonna go in the living room. Headboard, got a couple tarps just in case it rains. Got the shop vac, a few extra tools that we forgot last time. I would say that by far, one of the biggest things that we've learned is just planning. I didn't take enough measurements when I went there the first time. I didn't even take inventory of what I would need. I just kind of like winged it. I went in there, I thought I would like feel it. I thought it would just like jump out at me. But like all of this stuff, most of it, besides the furniture items, because I just forgot. Like this whole bit of tools, like pretty much everything in here was tools that I know that I'm gonna need. We still got a little room in the cab. It's gonna be a late night. We're heading up after like a Christmas party dinner. We're gonna be getting there at like 3 in the morning. But we're getting ready to start the 2-week sprint, getting this cabin ready, and we could not be more excited about this. And I'm so pumped to have you following along. Let's freaking go. You can be sad we're gone.
All right, we're on the way.
We're on the way, on the road, finally. After Kelly took forever to get done with that dinner party.
Okay, don't be mean.
It's 10 p.m. and we're just now headed for a 5-hour drive to Banner Elk.
Yeah.
We got everything with us, and I got someone showing up to buy the kerosene tank and the wood furnace, and we got friends showing up tomorrow. It's like, I'm so excited about working on our cabin. The next 2 weeks are gonna be a little stressful. I couldn't have a better partner to do it with.
Thanks. Well, you've helped a lot with the getting things in line while we've been away.
I'm so pumped. Cannot wait to show you guys. The Moody Mountain Getaway is under construction, coming soon.
We're gonna be up there for 2 weeks now.
Yeah, 2
Getting
weeks.
ready.
Don't feel pressured to film while we're driving up. You don't have to.
I look like a hoop.
Be a hot tub. Just leaning against a tree.
We're heading up to the house. This is our first time being back.
Oh my
gosh. Look what we see.
This is like first view. Man, this looks so redneck. There's our hot tub.
Hot tubs. The hair-ish.
It needs a little cleaning, but hey, I'm not too mad. Oh my god, it's so sketchy every time. I forgot this truck is fucking huge.
Ready to go in and see what it's been done?
Yeah, I know. I don't even know. There's so much. Let's try to park this
go.
thing first. I have to move forward on the parking.
Yeah.
Because for some reason in my head, I think the first time I came here, I was so like infatuated with things, I didn't really think about it. But parking this truck this time, I mean, it's so down. That's not even, that's not gonna stop anything. That. Wow. Okay.
Go ahead.
This is crazy. It's just so weird.
It's cold.
Yeah, it's like 20 degrees.
Oh, I'm in shorts. So the ceiling should be painted, yeah? Nice.
Yeah. Nice.
And everything's wrapped up like it's a spooky house.
Wow, okay. There's a little security camera working. There's a mini split.
Like, look.
Yeah, it's so dusty.
Because they did all the patches on the wall.
Yeah,
but they've done all the ceilings, so that's nice. Just a little bit of fun.
I'll
It just shows you how bright the
Ooh, let's go see the radon.
radon.
Yeah, it's in.
Oh, I knew that this was in.
Radon.
We hadn't showed them that.
Yeah, so here's our mini split. This is, oh my gosh, this is a Mitsubishi something or other.
It's okay.
We decided to go mini split. So the home originally is heated with a kerosene monitor heater system. There's a 300-gallon kerosene tank right at the hillside, which I'm selling on Facebook Marketplace, and someone's gonna show up here in a little bit. I'm gonna help them move that. So we're gonna disconnect that, but in its place, we decided to go with a mini split, which was, it cost like $6-7 grand. Pretty expensive, but this little thing will put out so much heat, it will heat this entire room completely fine.
And the room's right at the
And it'll go down to like, I mean, so this room will never be like cold. We have baseboards in those rooms, so we're gonna experiment with one, see how far it gets us, and then we'll just see if it's necessary to upgrade from there. We gotta have...
There's a little mitzy in it.
Yeah. Lord have mercy.
There's the pipe. I don't know how we're gonna disguise that, but I gotta make that cute.
Yeah, we're gonna... Yeah.
Honestly, the sound it makes. Pretty
Is this the power for it? It's a little extension cord?
Hope not.
That looks tacky.
I would hope not.
Oh man. Okay. You mean to tell me there's a... What?
Is that for something else?
I'm not super satisfied with that. I don't like that I just left it in the open outlet either. We live and we learn. Alright. Cool. Alright.
It's a hot mess in here. Such a hot mess. This is why we didn't.
This is dangerous.
This is why we did not spend the night here last night.
Yeah, honestly.
Now, are you understanding?
Good call. So that is the condensing unit. The radon. What you're hearing there, that's the fan that's in here, and then it goes down in there, and it's like sucking the gas out. I don't know. I didn't really know it was gonna look like that, but.
And then hot tub's up there.
Okay, so
we're a hot mess.
Let's talk about the hot tub.
All of this is a hot mess.
Hot tub's a hot mess. Hot tub leaning against a tree right now. Ow. I looked everywhere for hot tubs. Hot tubs are incredibly expensive, but I found this guy who's giving a hell of a deal. This one's used and works perfectly fine, and we're gonna get it for like, he's gonna give me the hot tub, and he's a contractor. Hot tub, reinforcing the deck, and run electrical to it for $3,500, all inclusive. I'm like, sign me up. We have to take this fence probably apart and put this thing on a sled, and we're gonna winch it down this hill towards the deck.
That's this week, right?
That's Wednesday.
Oh, fun.
So one of the random little mishaps was there is a washer and dryer, but it's in a really weird room, and the dryer doesn't work. So now I'm gonna pick up like a cheap dryer, Facebook Marketplace or something like that, and so we can at least wash our clothes while we're here.
All the colors blend.
This blend's so nice.
So nice. Oh, this is heavier than I thought.
Okay. Whoa. Hang tight. Here we go. Yep. 2, 3, go. You know, another thing that we're learning, and I think we're starting to realize, is the planning involved to pull this off really well is definitely a skill and a muscle that we have at work. We already have run into some planning issues with like having all this stuff here and the painters coming in and out and the countertops needing to have the range done before the template. So we're learning a lot of these like kind of hard things. For example, I just had the guy move the kerosene tank. I forgot that there's a big hole in the wall, and now there's a hole literally in the wall that I've stuffed like a rag in, to where now I have to go and get some sheetrock repair and stuff. So that's some of the stuff we're learning to kind of think all the way through it to the end, go ahead and set ourselves up for success. So we are learning it the hard way, and I have made things a little difficult, but hey, this is how you learn. You just kind of throw yourself in and figure it out. That's what we're doing.
Chicken. What is that bar?
What are you talking about?
It's up there with the chicken strips.
I don't know.
I'm pretty sure it says that. Now
You're on your own on that one. It's 2:35, the first day back, and we already got a bunch done. We got a bunch of furniture rearranged, all the Amazon packages in, the kerosene tank gone, all the kerosene lines, both monitor heaters. That was good progress.
Macaroni, sorry, with the chicken strips.
So one of my favorite things right here is this bridge that you drive over to get into the community. It goes right over the Watauga River. And look how beautiful that is. It's so serene and so quiet, and literally every time I stop and just literally roll down the windows and look at Kelly, you're blocking the view. Kelly, what are you doing?
I am the view.
Oh my God, look at that.
You're my best view.
Meh. So pretty, and I hope that our guests are gonna enjoy and stop that and take that in as well. My house that I grew up in, we had it for 17 years, we had a bridge just like this that to our property that I would stop every day, and I would just sit there and would totally reset my thoughts.
Did
it was
you
great.
know that there's like a fly fishing class, like place right down the road
No,
too?
I did not
So
know
that you could probably learn how to do it and then come and
That would be so cool. Our breakfast time.
Right now the painters are in the house.
Painters in the house doing their thing. We are eating Chick-fil-A off a toolbox. getting ready to start our project today, which is the board and batten. Is it board and batten? Paneling, whatever it is downstairs. We're trying to finish that up, and they're gonna actually have painted the guest bedroom and the master today. Just be mint. See you, Antonio. Take it easy, man. Get to work today. You excited, Kelly? You excited to see it start coming together?
So awesome when everything's like painted, especially those rooms. Like how it's gonna feel so nice.
It's gonna feel so nice, and it already feels nice in here. That mini split is pumping out some hot air. It feels great. It's very temperate,
We still have a lot
moderate.
to do, but it's gonna be.
We
Nice
still got so much to do.
progress.
But this week, these next few days, we should start seeing some visual progress. I can't wait. Dan, I thought I had screws, but I don't.
Myself on the tongue. Do what?
You're gonna be part of this vlog for the Airbnb. I hope you're okay with that.
Oh, I'm gonna go grab some screws out of the truck right quick.
Yeah, grab some screws. Now make it snappy. Knees to chest there, buddy. So while we're working downstairs, Kelly is working on replacing this lock with the smart lock that's right there, which that has a keypad on it, and then it'll be wireless, so connect to the internet, and we can open and close that remotely. You're really smart for figuring that out. I'm super proud of you. My wife is awesome. Wait, I heard that my good friend and electrician Dan down here. Damn it. Drywall says.
Once it gets damp, dude, it gets soft. That's typically me. Once you get damp, you get soft.
Oh shit. Let's move right through the wall.
I'm not even looking at what you're doing to kill it.
I just put 2 holes in the wall. Look at this.
Dude, just get some taller baseboard, you'll be fine. 6 inch would be nice down here. Dude, 6 inches is average, okay? 6 inches is more than enough. 6 inches is enough.
I mean, like, you know, for those men who only have 6 inches, I guess it would be enough.
Poor guys.
I'm so glad we're going to deal with that problem.
We have excess of.
Because, like, the first 6 inches is pretty good. It's the next.
Wait till you get the next 6 inches.
Oh, shit, that is broken.
Stop breaking it.
We're going to need new baseboard. The last time I laughed this hard was when you were out on that boat recently.
I'm desperate for that.
Colton, I took Dan out on the boat recently.
He almost killed me on a stupid boat.
Colton, I just want to point out you're doing a great job as a sawhorse down there.
Going well.
The camera. You're just twerking.
It's going really good.
So then this piece is cut, and then it's gonna go right here. Right. See?
Cool.
And then we're just gonna take that all the way around.
That's good.
And then do the 29.5 cut first. We'll take that across. What are you doing? Yeah, dude. Oh, it's
Recognize it ain't not feeling anywhere.
Wait, this is the right angle here. Here you go. That's the right angle.
We get it plugged in and then you can do that.
Yes, I haven't plugged in. Oh, yeah. How's it going right here, Kai?
I'm just trying to get this thing in,
What are you
but it's
doing?
like just a little too small.
Oh. Today was like our second full day in it. We did not get nearly as much done as we wanted to. We definitely got set back today on a bunch of stuff. We broke our lock. It was hard. Kelly was working so hard diligently on the front door lock, and we ended up actually like breaking a piece of that. So now we have to send that back before we can do anything. We're just trying to get little wins in. So Kelly's got that.
I don't know if that's gonna stay.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna see if it works. Remember that one bird bad review because one of those fell off of it. This was frustrating. Honestly, we were bickering. We were mad at each other, and we're just gonna cut our losses today and kind of get done. So tomorrow, we're gonna do a little bit before we get back down to Wilmington, and then we'll be back in a couple weeks. And
No, I think you said it. It was just kind of like it was a hard day because you feel feel like you didn't get anything done, even though I know we did.
This is the reality sometimes. But I'm warming up some cold pizza on the wood stove and we got it going. So I'm just gonna enjoy this. Enjoy our night. Catch y'all in the morning. Coffee going.
I have dirt on your hair.
I have dirt on my hair?
Like a lot. I don't want to brush it off on YouTube.
If you're wondering what the glamorous lifestyle was like, buying an Airbnb and not knowing how over your head you may or may not be, this is what your life could look like.
On our fan boxes. I'm
Sitting on
eating
the floor.
popcorn that was gifted for us for closing.
Yeah, my awesome realtor, Bobby Joe. So today's our last day here for our first little sprint. We got a little ambitious. We wanted to get a ton of projects done.
We didn't take into account all the people that we would want to see or...
We just met with a painter today. We got a quote. This is the last day we're here, and going back to Wilmington, super scared. Let's, I don't know where this is gonna go and what it's gonna turn into, but I'm excited. Cheers. This is brought to you by Master. It's not actually brought to you by. Oh no! I spilled some coffee.
Both working on our high-tech devices. Trying to get our house safe before we leave.
I know. I just want to be able to get this done because it'd be really cool to have surveillance. Be able to see like stuff, but I'm now having problems with that.
Same with me. I'm trying to get our ring set up. Never done that before, so.
Back there. Ready? Good. Oh, Kelly! What are you doing? All right. We just ran around the house like crazy, dancing, because I just got a house under contract for our real estate stuff. Whew, I have a house I'm selling in Wilmington. Just got it under contract, which is awesome news. So now we're about to head back down to Wilmington. We're just gonna pack up the rest of this stuff, get on to Wilmington hopefully before 8 or 9 o'clock tonight. I'm just waiting for a painter to show up, and that's the last thing. Then we're good. I will pick up this vlog when we come back up here in 2 weeks, and then we will hit it hard before the first of the year. Thanks for watching, and let's go back to the beach. Now back to